Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. The power of family, love, and togetherness. This beautiful image shows a father cooking food for his family on a grill in the backyard. He is smiling because he enjoys spending time with the people he loves. His wife and children are sitting at the table and watching him with happy faces. The warm sunlight and peaceful environment create a feeling of comfort and joy. The picture teaches us that family is one of the most important things in life. A good father does more than provide food. He also gives love, care, support, and protection. The meal he prepares is a symbol of his dedication and affection. Every action he takes shows how much he values his family. Love is the secret ingredient that makes every family stronger. Trust helps family members depend on each other. Respect creates harmony, and joy makes life more enjoyable. When people share these values, they build strong relationships that last for many years. This image reminds us that happiness is often found in simple moments. Sharing food, talking together, and spending quality time can create wonderful memories. Family is a place where people feel safe, appreciated, and loved. With love and unity, families can overcome challenges and grow stronger every day. Vocabulary. Family. Love. Togetherness. Father. Grill. Happiness. Trust. Respect. Joy. Support. Care. Protection. Relationship. Memory. Unity. Unidad. Intermediate English. Building strong family bonds through love and commitment. This inspiring image portrays a devoted father preparing a barbecue for his family while enjoying a meaningful moment with them. His expression reflects satisfaction and gratitude as he serves a meal made with care and affection. Nearby, his wife and children smile warmly, demonstrating the strong emotional connection that unites them. The scene highlights the importance of family values such as love, trust, respect, and commitment. These qualities are essential for creating a healthy and supportive environment where every family member feels valued and understood. The father's effort goes beyond cooking food. He is investing time, energy, and attention in the people who matter most to him. The atmosphere of the image is peaceful and welcoming. The golden sunlight symbolizes warmth and positivity, while the shared meal represents unity and cooperation. Such moments strengthen relationships and help create lasting memories that families treasure throughout their lives. In today's busy world, many people forget the importance of spending quality time with loved ones. This image encourages us to slow down and appreciate simple experiences that bring people closer together. Strong families are built through daily acts of kindness, understanding, and dedication. When love becomes the foundation of a home, family members develop confidence, resilience, and a deep sense of belonging that lasts for generations. Vocabulary. Devoted. Commitment. Affection. Connection. Values. Supportive. Understood. Unity. Cooperation. Treasure. Appreciate. Kindness. Dedication. Resilience. Belonging. Advanced English. The enduring legacy of love, responsibility, and family leadership. This compelling image transcends the simple act of outdoor cooking and presents a profound illustration of family leadership, emotional intelligence, and unwavering devotion. The father, standing confidently beside the grill, symbolizes responsibility and selfless commitment. His actions demonstrate that true leadership within a family is not measured solely by financial provision but also by emotional presence, guidance, and genuine care. The warm interaction between family members reflects a culture of mutual respect, trust, and appreciation. Their smiles reveal the emotional security that develops when relationships are nurtured through consistent acts of love and attention. The meal itself becomes a powerful metaphor for sacrifice and dedication, representing the countless efforts made by parents to support and inspire their children. The golden evening light enhances the atmosphere of harmony and gratitude, emphasizing the significance of meaningful family traditions. Such traditions create a sense of identity and continuity, connecting generations through shared experiences and cherished memories. Beyond its visual appeal, the image conveys a universal message about the importance of cultivating strong interpersonal relationships. Families thrive when compassion, integrity, and responsibility guide daily interactions. By prioritizing connection over distraction and service over self-interest, individuals contribute to a lasting legacy of unity and strength. Ultimately, love remains the foundation upon which enduring families, thriving communities, and meaningful lives are built. Vocabulary: enduring, legacy, leadership, emotional intelligence, unwavering, devotion, selfless, guidance, mutual, appreciation, nurtured, sacrifice, harmony, compassion, integrity, foundation, cultivating, interpersonal, thrive. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.